Here I have Huawei P20 and let me show you how to reset camera on the following device. So at first you have to open your camera, just click on the icon, then go to the settings and scroll down to the very bottom of the list. Here you will notice Restore Defaults, so just click on this icon. And now if you truly want to restore default settings, just tap on OK. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you have to be 100% sure that you want to reset all the settings that you've got on your camera. If so, just tap on OK. And that's it. Now you can set up your camera from the scratch. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.